Hey chickies, thanks for hanging out for a few minutes today. We're going to be reviewing and putting this brand new product from Kiss to the ultimate test. It's called Falscara. It's essentially the look of lash extensions in minutes. So I hope you'll join me for today's video. If you're new here, I'm Christine. I curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. Greatly appreciate it. If you please subscribe to my channel, would absolutely love it if you'd be a part of the Chickie crew. Also, don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new videos. This is called Falscara. It's the new way to lash. This is essentially supposed to give you the look of lash extensions in minutes. This does retail for $19.99. There are a couple different styles to choose from. The ones I have today, this is the volumizing starter kit. So I'm reading this right off of the Kiss website. This is the new way to lash with wisps you place under your natural lashes, not above them, and the results as beautiful as lash extensions. Falscara is literally falsies in a flash with lash wisps that are easy to apply, comfortable, and look amazingly natural. Plus, they're reusable up to 3 times. Let's go ahead and just open this. I'm so intrigued by this product. I have very sensitive eyes. My eyes water, but you know, I'm always willing to give something a try at least once. Here is the lash applicator. It's actually a pretty good size. It's made of metal. Falscara. This side is the bond with biotin, which I think is pretty cool that it includes biotin. It's a very, very small applicator. Other side, we have the seal with vitamin E. And that's what it looks like on the other side. And here are the actual little wisps. Step 1, bonding time. Brush a light coat of bond on natural lashes. A little goes a long way. Use the included Falscara applicator to pluck a wisp from the tray as shown. Pick up a wisp from the middle outer end for optimal control and application. One by one, gently place the wisp under the base of your natural lashes, slightly away from the waterline. I don't know. Step 3, seal the deal. Dab on a thin coat of seal under wisps. This final touch eliminates any sticky residue and holds Falscara wisps in place. I wanted to share with you how my lashes look without any product on. I have not curled them. My lashes are pretty much thin. They point downwards and they're very straight. We're gonna go ahead and give it a try. Fingers crossed, all goes well. We're gonna brush a light coat of bond on natural lashes. Ooh, you can definitely feel that there is a bonding agent on this. Here is the tiny little wisp. We grabbed one right on the outer edge. Oh my goodness, I am so nervous about this. I think we got one on. I think we did. Whew. I think I might have to apply a little bit more of the bond because unfortunately it just took me forever to do this. So it definitely gives your lashes that tacky feel. Holy crap, wow. Okay, I was not expecting that one to be as easy, but yeah, it kind of just adhered. Now we have one more to go. Let's place the very last one. Alright chickies, so I applied all the wisps to this side of the eye. I didn't apply the seal yet, but upon just looking at it, wow, I am so impressed with how much volume it gave my lashes. Let me just take you up close really quickly so you can see, because my lashes, like you saw earlier, they point down, and these are not curled at all. They got a whole bunch of volume. Let's actually seal the deal now. So here is the first eye all completed. We put the seal the deal. Look up so you guys can see the lashes. So we're gonna go ahead and apply to this side of the eye. I wanted to show you guys a good close-up of how the Falscara looks once you apply them to both of the eyes, so you have a good idea on how these look when you're in real life up close and personal with somebody. First impression of applying them, they feel so lightweight, and I love how it enhances my lashes. It gave them a volume, but it doesn't look like I'm wearing false lashes. It honestly looks like lash extensions in my opinion. So I really wanted to put these babies to the test, and so we're here at Six Flags Magic Mountain. We're gonna test out Falscara to see if it actually holds up to the roller coasters.
Go numb, dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb, dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Baby, it's 4:30.
We're at our last ride of the night, which is X2, my favorite ride here at the park. But I wanted to share with you really quickly how the Falscaras are looking. I think they're all still there, hopefully. So I'm not even looking at it. We're gonna check it out when we get home, but we're gonna go on this last ride, which honestly, it goes like 65 miles an hour. We'll see if the Falscara will still hold on.
I can't help but wish that you were here with me right now. These nights are rolling over me. That's not how it's supposed to be.
So it is now 8:33 p.m. We were at Six Flags Magic Mountain for about 3.5–4 hours. Have not looked at these lashes close up. I want you guys to see exactly how the Falscara are holding up. I'm gonna lift up the lid just a bit so that you can see exactly what I'm seeing, and they're basically all intact. Quite honestly, I am super surprised because on Apocalypse, which was the second ride, I could literally see the Falscara wispies kind of fluttering. So I already kind of had a feeling that they might fly away, but they are really like holding on. Also just wanted to mention a little tip and trick, and also something that I did notice kept happening throughout the day, and if you happen to encounter this, maybe this will also help you out. Throughout the day, I would feel the band of the wisp just kind of slightly graze my eye, not to the point where it was painful, but it was very, I would say, more uncomfortable because it was just like a little poke. So what I would do is I would just take my finger, run it kind of upwards, which would kind of move the wisps a little bit so it wouldn't poke my eyeball. These are seriously super comfortable, minus the fact that, you know, you would have the occasional poking of the band, but they are super comfortable. They are so lightweight that it doesn't even feel like you have on some little lashes underneath. These are also very natural. They give you that little umph where it enhances your lashes and gives you like that little something extra. Once you apply the seal and it fully dries, these babies, like, they are set. They don't go anywhere, which I really do appreciate. So you can feel confident when you go out wearing the Falscara wisps that they're not going to fall out of place. I'm just going to quickly share with you how to remove the Falscara wisps. Here we have some cotton rounds and I have the simple micellar water. I want to make sure you have the little container. Here are all 5 of the little wisps, the difference with the wisps and without. So there is a difference in my opinion. So final thoughts on the new Kiss Falscara starter kit. Honestly, I was very skeptical when I first purchased this. I was just very intrigued by it, especially because this is an at-home kit. I personally have never had lash extensions and I've never applied anything that close to the bottom part underneath. That honestly terrified me, but after applying it, it's really not that difficult. You just have to be patient, and once you kind of get the hang of it, then you're good. Loved how lightweight these wisps are, but it does give your eyes a little something extra. Do I think that this is a product worth checking out? I honestly think so. If you're looking to try out something a little bit different where you want the look of lash extensions, definitely give this a try. I love how it's drugstore. It's also very affordable. Look out for coupons. I really want to try out the other styles. So let me know your thoughts on the new Kiss Falscara. Have you tried this out? Have you seen this at your local drugstore? If you have tried it, which style did you get? I'm really curious to hear your feedback on it and how it worked out for you. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure you give this video a like. Subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Have an amazing day and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.